Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit head popping out of frame image in Canva. So I'm going to edit an image to look like this. So this is the before image and I'm going to add this image. The head will be popping out of frame like this. So I'm going to show you how. First you need to add the image that you want to edit on Canva, and then add the frame that you want to I'm going to use the circle or the round frame like this. Add the frame, going to put it at the side, and next you can just duplicate this image or copy this image, make it into two, and the first image will be going to the frame, drag it to the frame like this, and the second image just you need to edit this image and remove the background. Use the background remover in Canva. After the background has been removed, I'm going to drag this. So what you need to do next is just adjust the position first, and then lock this part first, the element. Just lock it so the edit will not be changed. And oops, I'm going to drag this. And next just drag the image that has been removed its background. Just drag it. I'm going to bring it to the front first and put the position into the photo. So to make it easy, just adjust the transparency first, and you can just put it on the top of the photo first, and I'm going to get it like this. So you need to pay attention to detail to make the photo looks the same size, the same position like this. And then when you're done, adjust the transparency again like this. And then the next thing that you need to do is just crop the unwanted part like this. And then next, unlock the photo and block the whole element and make it into group, so we can move it as one like this. Okay, it's so easy to make it the head popping out of frame like this. Okay, so I think you can follow it right away. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial.